In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Wix website. If you have a Wix site that you no longer need, deleting it is usually a straightforward process. You just want to make sure you choose the right site before you confirm anything, because deletion is a permanent action in most cases. To get started, open your Wix account and access your site list. When you do this, you should see the dashboard or the main area where Wix shows all of your websites. This is where you can manage each site separately. Take a moment to orient yourself so you know you are in the correct dashboard view. Next, look through your site list and select the specific site you want to delete. This is the moment where accuracy matters most. If you have more than one Wix website connected to your account, carefully read the site names shown in the list. Click on the one you want to remove. This ensures that the action you take will apply to the correct website. Now that you have selected the site, you will see options related to that specific website. In Wix, these options often appear through an Actions menu. For the next step, click the three dots icon next to the site. This is usually located near the site name or within the area where Wix provides management controls. Clicking the three dots will open a small menu with different actions you can perform on that site. After you click the three dots, you will want to choose the option that moves the site to trash. Click on Move to Trash from the menu that appears. This step is important because it is the action that signals Wix to remove the site from your active listings. Depending on your account and Wix interface, the menu may include other choices, so make sure you specifically select the Move to Trash option. Once you choose Move to Trash, Wix will typically show a confirmation prompt. This is the system asking you to confirm that you really want to delete or remove the site. At this point, pause briefly and double-check that the correct website name is displayed in the confirmation message. It is a good practice to verify because this is where you will finalize the deletion request. Finally, confirm the deletion when the prompt appears. Click the Confirm or Delete button in the dialog box. After you do this, Wix will process the request, and the site should no longer be listed as an active site. You may also notice changes in your site list right after confirmation, or it might update after a short moment. If you do not see the changes immediately, give it a few seconds and refresh your view if needed. Sometimes the dashboard updates quickly, and sometimes it takes a moment for the interface to reflect the deletion. The key point is that the confirmation step is what triggers Wix to complete the process, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know about deleting a Wix website, using the site list, the three dots menu, the Move to Trash option, and the final confirmation prompt.